yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay. Asiya madoda, asiya madoda, asiya ndiva man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, ndakhumbula ndisaqala urepa ndisaqala ukhuphuka ndikasisama ndisazama ufuna ufana nami boy fundicela ufunde kumi irep iyakhuphuka sendikhule makanzima ngendidala hlanganisa impilo guqama ngedolo nathandaza nceba uthixo ndipha amandla ndaza kukhulula kule mpilo sihamba dala hlakamanga meva dala sibetheka bathi singqubeka but andikho lapho iingoma zami ndiyazibhala ngokwesela nabantwana basekhaya udala bebukela kume khanya namatyane bathinde yayisusa ndakhuphuka babukele kume ngathi mbukele ifilimu ngathi undaba ezitha sevumile bathi idlozi lami livumile ngoku ndinamandla khulu kukho izitha zami sama undinqoba sama undiwisa kodwa bohlulekile ku but uNkulunkulu khona eduze kwami noba sekumnyama kuzokhanya ngelimile koqhakazile kodwa sobe ndiyihlule izitha zami imande yibhosi sintsha segame sobe mpunge phansi imandamba nezinyanya zasekhaya izinyanya zasekhaya zizonceda ngoba sekunzima ndithembele kuzo yeah yeah esemashita hlanganisa impilo njengoba sekunzima siye phandle ejozi soheleze ejozi noleklebe thina sikhulele emakhaya sinqanda inkomo emakhaya kwaya ndaye Cape Town ngibona imali iningi ngabantwana abakhona but andikho lapha ndiyarepa ndakhuphuka bethi bus so yeah Follow my man. Keep in the stage, you got on a guy and Betty Pass and Betty Flow. What was the kid? I'm not much. I'm on the cast by no more. Phone on the chicken. Quarter statement, some Fikida. I'm a chita phone and chicken. But I became same Monday. Nigga, instead of same Monday. Sober on the gates, a sober on the whistle. Human Dama, there's a Yagas as a guy. What was then? I'm not just the Avomil that is it for me. I stand. Nimandi yangena stage ngiperforme bethi amagama ambalwa lokundaba izitho khanya namatyali okukhanya nabantwana bathi nyusikasi ngekho undaba ezitha ngathi mbukela imuvi kodwa ngathi ngisemuvini ngathi ngiya-acta ukufuna ufana nami cela ufune kuxholo uhlale ethembeni kodwa ithemba liyanceda boy kwezomudakalo ungafuni ufana nami uye emagqirheni